Next section, developmental psychology and health. Disturbance in psychological development affect every aspect of health, cause associate issues, physical health issues, mental health issues, due diagnosis, abuse, vulnerability and challenging behavior. Developmental disorder. Developmental disorders comprise a group of psychiatric conditions originating in childhood that involve serious impairment in different areas. There are several ways of using this term. The narrowest concept is used in the category specific disorders of psychological development in the ICD-10, International Classification of Diseases 10. These disorders comprise following: language disorders, learning disorders, motor disorders, autism spectrum disorders, ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive disorders, neurodevelopmental disorders, antisocial behavior, schizophrenia that begins in childhood and continues through life. Next, we are going to detail about most common developmental disorders. First developmental disorder, Frengel-X syndrome, FXS. It is thought to cause autism and intellectual disability, usually among boys. Second, Down syndrome. It is condition in which people are born with an extra copy of chromosome 21. Normally a person is born with 2 copies of chromosome 21. However, if they are born with Down syndrome, they have an extra copy of this chromosome affects the development of the body and brain, causing physical and mental challenges for the individual. 3. Pervasive developmental disorders, PDD. These are group of developmental disorders or disabilities that can cause significant social, communication and behavioral challenges. 4. Fetal alcohol spectrum disorder, FASD. These are a group of conditions that can occur in a person whose mother drank alcohol during pregnancy. FASDs are 100% preventable if a woman does not drink alcohol during pregnancy. 5. Cerebral palsy, CP. It is a group of disorders that affects a person's ability to move and maintain balance and posture. CP is the most common motor disability in childhood. 6. Intellectual disability. It's also sometimes prescriptively known as mental retardation. It's defined as an IQ below 70 along with limitations in adaptive functioning and onset before the age of 18 years. Developmental disorders are present from early life. They usually improve as the child grows older, but they also entail impairments that continue through adult life. There is a strong genetic component, and more males are affected than females. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.